Hi, my name is Vijay Tadipalli. A warm welcome to all the Googlers watching this video. Thank you for your interest in TCS. I'm the global consulting leader with the Google Business Unit at TCS. Today, I'd like to share the background on Tata Consultancy Services and on how we are empowering enterprises with the vital capabilities needed to embrace the cloud for purpose-led sustainable growth together. While market disruptions, including the pandemic, have been catalysts for cloud adoption, many organizations have focused on the cloud to address individual business challenges. These organizations are yet to recognize the full potential of cloud to accelerate innovation, growth, enable greater elasticity, operational efficiency, and agility. To unlock this untapped business value the cloud can deliver, we believe that our understanding of the uniqueness of businesses would be one of the success factors in our go-to-market strategy for the year. I'll be touching upon a few customer success stories in this video. I'd like to begin with an overview of TCS, a global IT services consulting and business solutions leader, which has been partnering with the world's leading businesses in their transformational journeys over 50 years. TCS is a part of the Tata Group, India's largest multinational business group. We've been leading through 50 years of technology change. We operate on a global scale with a diverse talent base of over 520,000 associates, representing 157 nationalities across 46 countries. We are one of the largest employers of women with 36.2% women employees. What purpose does our partnership serve? Our purpose lies, I think, in helping customers extend the value of cloud for their businesses, their future for purpose-led sustainable growth. How do we do this? By innovating and reimagining business together, by harnessing the full value of Google Cloud, and by helping customers achieve greater resilience, speed, and business value. The TCS Google Business Unit offers customers a full complement of services and solutions, leveraging our domain-focused innovation and Google Cloud's suite of technologies. TCS is a premier Google partner and provides end-to-end services in the areas of cloud migration, application and data modernization, managed services, SAP on cloud, digital transformation, and industry-specific solutions. TCS has developed a library of assets, blueprints, industry accelerators to automate delivery and manage different stages of the cloud cycle. These services help companies achieve superior business outcomes from cloud transformation initiatives to gain resilience, better customer experience, and the flexibility of an open, scalable, and democratized ecosystem. TCS is investing in industry solutions to drive innovation and digital transformation for all leading industries and has enabled the availability of a rich portfolio of industry-centric products and platforms on Google Cloud. These include TCS Banks for core banking and financial services, TCS OmniStore for retailers to provide unified customer journeys powered by AI, TCS Optumera for merchandising and supply chain optimization, TCS WaferWise for anomaly detection in semiconductor manufacturing. To strengthen the partnership further, TCS and Google Cloud will jointly develop industry-specific solutions, co-innovate the next generation of cloud-based industry-specific services with a focus on delivering digital consumer experience in retail, modernizing manufacturing processes with AI and connected machines, and building multi-cloud platforms for the financial services industry. As of today, we have achieved 8 specializations: application development, infrastructure, work transformation, data analytics, machine learning, cloud migration, security and data management, and I have acquired 64 expertise badges. It gives me immense pride to share that TCS was selected as the 2020 Google Cloud Breakthrough Partner of the Year for demonstrating innovative thinking, outstanding customer service, and best-in-class use of Google Cloud products and solutions. In our partnership with customers embracing the cloud adoption journey, we help build their digital core, create innovative business models, transform and grow on what we call the 3 horizons for purpose-led sustainable growth. The first horizon is about laying the foundation. By building the digital core with cloud as a unifying fabric, organizations take the first step towards elastically expanding their boundaries. They also secure resilience, adaptability, and operational efficiencies. For example, TCS has built a data platform for an automotive major, tapping into Google Cloud to cut costs by up to 35% and increase service delivery by 20 to 25%. The strong digital core and the capabilities it generates pave the way for the next horizon, transformation at a business process and business model level. Organizations can combine the power of digital technologies to create connected and personalized experiences, which in turn sets the stage for the business model innovations. The stage is significantly driven by innovation and integration of best practices and learnings across industries into the operating model. As an example, TCS leads contact center digitization for a fashion retailer, leveraging Google Cloud to increase accuracy of caller intent by over 95% and achieve notable savings. The third horizon is a higher order transformation and more challenging. It's about purpose-led changes to industry structures by adopting ecosystems as an operating model. Sustainable businesses are those that are shifting away from delivering point products or solutions to meet holistic purposes for end customers. As an instance, TCS drives merchandising strategy and sales uplift for a large retailer with AI-powered TCS Optumera on Google Cloud. TCS has a rich suite of cloud accelerators rendered on the Google Garage, a digital lab that allows sprinting for an experimentation with experiential and immersive experience. We recently announced the expansion of our strategic partnership with Google Cloud and with the launch of Google Garages at its TCS Spaceport, co-innovation and advanced research centers in Amsterdam, New York, and Tokyo. The TCS Google Garage provides an immersive experience for companies to evaluate cloud solutions, develop and build prototype applications, apply analytics, artificial intelligence capabilities using design thinking, agile development to address opportunities and create value. TCS Spaceport is a global network of innovation hubs designed to enable multidisciplinary in-person and virtual collaboration between TCS, its customers, partners, universities, and local startups for rapid prototyping, researching, commercializing of advanced technologies, and first-of-kind projects. To mention a few customer success stories, TCS boosts financial services companies' ability to monitor security incidents and events by 3x and also reduce time taken to investigate on Google Cloud. TCS improves business velocity, cuts cost for infrastructure, storage, and licensing by 60% for home improvement retailers' enterprise data platform on Google Cloud. An automotive major saves 35%, increases service delivery efficiency by 20 to 25%, improves end user experience with real-time production dashboard on Google Cloud using Data Lake IoT platform built by TCS. TCS improves customer experience for a fashion retailer, leveraging AI-based conversational chatbots powered by Google Cloud to increase accuracy of caller intent by over 95% and achieve notable savings. TCS drives merchandising strategy and sales uplift of $150 million for 5 years for a supermarket and grocery store chain with AI-powered TCS Optumera on Google Cloud. To strengthen the partnership further, TCS and Google Cloud will jointly develop new industry-specific solutions with a focus on delivering consumer experiences in retail, modernizing manufacturing processes with AI and connected machines, and building multi-cloud platforms for the financial services industry. TCS is committed to grow our Google Cloud footprint across geographies and priority industries. TCS shares engineering excellence and a 10x mindset with Google Cloud and brings rich differentiators to the table, like contextual knowledge of customers, industry-rich experience, our leading industry-specific products such as banks, which is in use at 450 plus global financial institutions today, over 50 project lifecycle assets and accelerators, and a rich and diverse resource pool of 75,000 plus cloud engineers, architects, with an ongoing commitment to grow the Google Cloud certified resource base. We will be happy to connect with you to share our conviction on how we will tap into our strong differentiators and more than achieve the coming year's goals together. Thank you for your time, and here's wishing each of you success, given our commitment to customer success, customer first approach, contextual knowledge, and our spirit of partnership with the ease of doing business together. Thank you.